Hi guys, another diversion from my planned task tonight. You probably know that I've been doing some projects using small electric motors, toy motors or motors out of vibrating toothbrushes. And because I've uploaded some of them, some of the linked videos that have come up in the right hand column have been quite interesting. And I've sat and watched one by Bruce Yeany on homemade speakers using toy motors as the actuator. Can't quite think what you'd call it. Anyway, that reminded me of this little green unit here that comes out of a frog motion detector. Basically it croaks when you get near it. And if you watched my Halloween projects, I modified one to make a little spider jump around when you cross the path. So this is the motion detector, or the light detecting resistor, or light dependent resistor, or whatever you want to call it. But if I block the light to it, you'll see the spiders moving. And it's moving in a jerky motion because that's the croak noise, which would be going to these black wires, which are the speaker wires, but instead of that I've diverted them to the little electric motor. So instead of croaking, it makes the spider move. But if you listen very carefully or amplify the sound, you actually get the croaking sound coming out of the motor. So if I just take him off and hold this cup next to the motor, don't know if that's clear enough. I won't know until I play the video back. Now it sounds slightly different because I actually put a diode in the lead to make sure that the motor only went one way. But if I take that out, we should be able to hear the original croak. Now I've taken that diode out of the circuit. So now, in fact, I could probably just, there's only a bit of blue tack. Quick bit of soldering later. I've soldered the wires going to the electric motor to where the speaker wires were on this little music chip, and I've actually hot glued the motor straight on the side of the cup because it seems to give it a better sound reproduction. So if I just make contact with the switch wires, so that seems to work. I can't think why you would want to do that other than just for demonstration purposes, but it certainly works. Something else to do with a small electric motor. If you're not sure how it actually works, basically the alternating current, the music current, is passing backwards and forwards through the coils in the electric motor. That's causing a magnetic field which is reacting with the magnet that's in the motor, and that's making it vibrate, and it's vibrating in sympathy with the music. I hope that explains it simply enough. I'll put a link to Bruce Yeany's video so you can see how he does it. He's got quite a few interesting videos there, so have a look at his.